food review.
What's that thing?
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Henry Food Review. Today we are shopping for snacks. Don't know what we're getting.
It's kind of hard trying to keep this low because it's really busy here. We've already tried.
Snacks. I know we did Great Britain.
Okay. Great Britain, we did.
We didn't do the McCall or whatever.
So we decided we're doing China. So,
Yeah.
let's see what we get.
Alright, everybody. Welcome back to another Hensley Food Review. We are trying snacks from China and Great Britain. So, stay with us. Let's get to it. Alright, y'all. We're going to show you what we got. We got mochi, thin bird sriracha, little chips. We
Can't
got,
pronounce this.
don't know what this is. So if any Chinese people are out there, let me know what that says.
Then we got
We got
Duran cake, like mochi, I guess, something like that.
it's Mo Shang Wang Duran cake.
Cream wafers from China.
Yeah. Cream wafers from China.
If they're not Chinese, then that's what
These are all from
right there.
Great Britain. We got picnics. We got twirl. We got
Lion.
lion. We got curly wraps or whirls, curly whirly. And we got Milky Bar. So which one should we try first?
I should try the snacks for like the candies.
All right, we're gonna try the candy from Great Britain first. Pick.
We're gonna do the
We're gonna do
Nestle
the
Milky, Bar.
Bar.
Milk is our #1 ingredient. It says.
It's made from Nestle's. Looks like just all milk. Like for real.
This is what it looks
It's
like.
all white.
Like white chocolate, probably.
Like I said, we would do our opinion at the end. That ain't white chocolate because it don't smell like white chocolate.
No, it's like you just eating that frozen bar of milk.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like you just ate a frozen bar of milk.
Of milk. It's not too good. But we'll give our honest opinion at the end. Now we're going to do lion.
Let me cleanse my palate.
I don't know what this is or what's in it.
Prime Hydration, sponsor me. Looks like a Snickers bar.
Actually looks pretty good though.
You're trying everything with us?
Smells good.
I don't know if it's because of that, just like a weird taste in my mouth. I don't know. Huh? This is better.
Kind of tastes like a whatchamacallit.
Granola bar? Inside joke.
When he was little, I sent him down to the store to get snacks or something, and I told him I wanted a whatchamacallit bar. He had the guy call me from the store to ask me what I wanted. He thought it was a granola bar, and I was like, a whatchamacallit bar. Alright, we're going to do the curly whirly.
What the fuck is that?
Look at y'all, it looks
It looks like bark.
it looks like barbed wire.
Bro.
That's really good.
What is that? I had this before.
Tastes like a Rolo.
That's what it is.
Really good.
Yeah, crabberry? It is.
Now, one of my videos I put, we did German snacks. Apparently, everything we did wasn't from Germany. We go to our international market and we pick these up in the aisles, and it says what country they're from. So if these are not right, don't come at us about it, because we're just going by what it says on the aisles. Like these said Great Britain. This other stuff says China. So if it's not right, we need to let people know at our store. This is called Picnic. It's also made by Calberry.
Can you get off me with chocolate, please? Thank you. I love you.
Kind of looks like a
I'm still eating that fucking last one.
kind of looks like a payday.
God damn. I'll eat it, but why is this shit so hard? My neck is starting to hurt. I don't like peanuts.
What?
You're still eating one. Mm-mm.
Not too fond of that one.
You ain't good. Go over there.
Like I said, I'll do my review at the end. This is called
Orange squirrel.
Orange Flavored Swirl. It's also made by Cadbury.
This Cadbury is made in UK. You got one in your hand, baby. Your hair is just wide.
They smell like orange. They're like sticks, y'all.
Grace, come on.
Oh, you like it?
Yeah. I like that stuff.
I mean,
I like orange anyway.
you can taste the orange. Not my cup of tea.
Mine.
Okay, so that was the snacks from Great Britain. Should we review those now, or wait till we do everything?
Left, couldn't it?
Yeah.
I said we'll go down.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and review the Great Britain now. The twirl.
10 out of 10.
If you like orange, it's got a little hint of orange flavor and chocolate. It says what it says. It is what it says. It says orange flavor, so I'll give it a 9. A Curly Whirly, I'm gonna give it a 10 because it tastes like Rolos. I love Rolos. Rolos are really good. I'll give that a 10. What do you give the Curly Whirly?
What?
Curly Whirly.
Is that the one that?
Tastes like a Rolo.
Yeah.
He gives it a 10. Alright, the Lion. I don't know what it's supposed to be or what it's supposed to taste like. But I'm not a big fan of it. So I'm going to say a 5. What about the Lion?
That's the one with the peanuts?
That's the Lion.
What's the one with the peanuts?
The picnic.
5.
Okay, he gave it the same as I did. The picnic?
0.
I like peanuts, so I'm going to give it a 8. He's going to give it a 0 because he don't like peanuts. Poogie.
Yeah.
This, the Milky Bar. I'm sorry, y'all, but I'm only gonna give it a 2 because I really don't like it. I'm not sure what he's gonna give it, so we'll wait till he comes back. And when he gets back, we'll go into the China stuff. You had us looking all over the place for that, girl. We're gonna try cream wafers, the Durant cakes. I don't know what this is, y'all. It looks hot. We don't even have anything on here that even tells you what it is. Baked crispy Willet Flakers. You say something.
Grace.
What do you give the Milky Bar? I give it a 1.
0.
I don't like it. Alright, y'all. Izzy likes them.
Nobody likes anything. I need you to get out of that.
I'm not gonna give it to her. Alright, so now we're gonna go into China food. I wanna save hot shit last. So,
Can we start with the good?
the wafer.
Yeah.
We're gonna do creamy wafers. Dang, I didn't put that shit. That all comes in individual packs. That's pretty cool. I like that, y'all. Look, it comes in individual little square packs, so you keep them fresh. That's a good idea. So that's a plus.
They look like regular wafer cookies that you get at like Dollar Tree.
It smells really good.
It smells a lot better than it tastes.
I was about to say that. Like, smell-o-vision. You can really smell the vanilla, but
You can't taste it.
not really.
Kind of disappointed.
They're all right. Kind of upsetting because the smell makes you like, damn, it's really going to taste like vanilla. I don't know what these are. I'm kind of scared. They come in a little package too.
Oh, Duran's the one that fruit that stinks really bad. Let me see it. Nah, you got this. You got this all over your own, bud. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it.
Oh Lord. It stinks. It's already gonna be bad. Ooh, what the hell? I'm scared, y'all.
It looks like mochi. Mochi. Where's the mochi thing at? Towards the back. You wasn't even in the camera when you ate that. You gotta eat it again.
No, I'm not.
You wasn't in the camera for me. None of that.
Y'all, please. It's not good.
I'm not touching it.
I can't. Please.
No.
I'm sorry, y'all. That's gross. Ghost hydration water. Ghost, come on. With that sponsor. That's no. Sorry. Garbage. Which one you want now?
You said hot shit last, so you know, they do
Well, that's
mochi.
sriracha.
Oh. Stop eating off the floor.
Okay, we're doing mochi's Thai bird sriracha.
Great.
That don't smell bad. Looks like croutons. Bring on the burn, that's what it says. Bring on the burn. See it right there?
Bro, that says Asia.
Not good. It's like a fucking crouton with it's crunchy rice and hot sauce in one bite. Two strikes.
I don't know how to pronounce this.
I don't even know how to open it. How do you open it? That's what it looks like, yo. Little rice chip. Sorry, China.
You're 3 for 3 in strike. It's hot.
It's got a kick to it, but it's nasty. Like you're 1 for 3, China. You got one good thing out that whole, or 1 for 3. Yeah,
No.
one good thing out of that whole thing of 4. And the good thing is the cream wafers, and they're not really all that good. Like they're not. These nasty. That whatever the fuck that shit. This shit.
Terrible. Let's rate them.
Nasty.
Let's go with the nasty shit. Good zero.
Like whatever that fruit is.
Duran. Get Duran food.
This. We're gonna go ahead and do our rating.
0.
This is a negative 0. This stinks like high heaven. It's gross. That's garbage.
Please.
These,
Those are probably the better things.
I'm gonna say
I said 3, 4, 4. I'll give it 4.
I'll give it a 4 because it is spicy, but it don't taste right. It don't. I mean, maybe it's just because it's us, but I'll give it a 4. Garbage.
It's 0.
These are 0. They're gross. Ain't nothing else you can say about them.
The vanilla wafer.
The vanilla wafers, I'm gonna say
I'm gonna say 4.
I would say 7 because they're not bad.
They're
The-
plain. They're very plain.
Yeah, the smell smells really good. Like
The smell makes you think, oh, it's gonna be
like
thin.
it's gonna taste like vanilla. Like it's gonna be amazing.
But as soon as you
nah.
eat it, it's very plain.
It tastes like cardboard.
My best thing, and I'm gonna be honest, this whole video was the cranberry orange thing.
But I do like the packaging on these, how they come in individual packages, so you can keep them fresh. I mean, these will be easy to eat. So, yeah. That's a video for this week. Like I say, China didn't very well.
What?
Or they didn't get a very good rating because what we got was not really good. Great Britain, you did good with some of your candy. Some of your candy really don't taste good, but like I like the curly whirly. I think it tastes like a Rolo, and I love Rolos. The Lions, okay. The picnic, if you like peanuts, you would like it. I like peanuts. It kind of tastes like a chocolate payday, but not as good.
I don't like chocolate or peanuts.
And it's also got raisins in it. And then the orange twirls.
That was really
He
good.
gives it a 10. He loves it. He ate it.
I love oranges. Like anything
Yeah.
orange, anything is great. Amazing.
It was good. It was really good. It tastes like they said, orange. So I'm get like I said, I gave my rating on that. And then the Milky Bar, tastes like straight fucking frozen milk. Gross.
Izzy loved it.
Izzy loves anything. But with that being said, thank y'all for joining us. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Stay tuned for another episode. Peace.